Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin inside Google Pay. Open the app and go directly to your profile, then select the bank whose UPI PIN you must change. Once there, choose the option to reset or set UPI PIN. This initiates a bank flow. Make sure you have your debit card ready because the app will ask for the card's last 6 digits and expiry date. This verifies your account. Do this now so you don't lose focus. Enter the details exactly as shown on the card. After you submit the card details, the bank sends an OTP to the mobile number registered with your debit card, so check that phone immediately. Enter the OTP into Google Pay. This authenticates the reset request. Next, you will be prompted to create a new UPI PIN. Choose a 4-digit code you can remember, but that is not obvious. Enter it twice to confirm, because the app uses the second entry to ensure you didn't mistype the first. Once you confirm the new PIN, Google Pay displays a success message. Make a small payment of 1 to 10 rupees to verify the PIN works. If you do not receive the OTP, request resend and ensure the registered mobile number and network are active, because delayed OTPs often cause failures. If the debit card details are rejected, contact your bank. There may be a block mismatch or KYC issue. Ask them to clear the.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.